divinity and strength of every balereño. It was created from the finest of Baler, the sabutan. It also features coconut shells, a byproduct of the handicraft industry, which is environmentally friendly that Balereños are proud of. The headdress is motivated by the ibong balud, a species that is widespread in Baler and from which the name Baler is derived. Moreover, the handkerchiefs represent the hue of the sun that stands for happiness, strength, and energy. Designer Chris Vargas.
Now let's move to Poblacion 2, Kylie Aubrey Escobar.
Sinasagot mo din ba yung question sa utak mo?
Actually, hindi pa. Maya-maya. Siguro dito, sasabayan ko siya sa may... Ayan, our beautiful candidate from Poblacion 2.
So, your question, your final question is, what do you think is the biggest challenge facing the youth of today, and how do you think you can help resolve it? What do you think is the biggest challenge facing the youth of today, and how do you think you can help resolve it?
For me, the biggest challenge that the youth is facing today is the online violence and unhealthy social media, because when it is used correctly, it is a great way for us to connect with the world. But if it is used irresponsibly, that will be problematic. And online bashing is one of the main problems that we are facing, we the youth right now, because people tend to easily give mean comments about the person that gives a depressing impact on other people. And I would help them by showing that, by being a role model, that we should respect, and we should always give love and respect in all forms. Thank you.
And now, our Binibining Baler 2022 Grand Winner! Is from Poblacion 2, Aubrey Escobar! Please welcome your Miss Baler 2022!
Poblacion 2, Kylie Aubrey Escobar! To all the winners, congratulations and best of luck as you fulfill your task of honing and promoting the tourism of Baler around the country. May many more doors open for you. To all our audiences here tonight, thank you for joining us in this wonderful quest for Binibining Baler 2022. This has been your Mr. Grand International 2017, Joshua Benati.
To the local government of Baler, headed by Honorable Mayor Rep Rona Angara, our sponsors, Binibining Baler Organizing Committee, headed by Ms. Lian Angara, and Golden Event, headed by Direct Makoy Manlabas and his team. Thank you for having us in this evening of prestige and excitement. This has been Billy Hackinson wishing you all a beautiful night and a more beautiful life ahead. Thank you for joining us in our search for Binibining Baler 2022.
And see you all next year for Binibining Baler 2023. Good night!